To download COC or Clash of Clans, what you have to do is just head straight to your phone menu, and when you reach over here, you can scroll to search for Google Play Store. But when your applications are a lot like mine, then tap on the search bar at the top, then search for Play Store. So when you type in Play Store, it's going to pop up. So this is my Play Store. So when you see it, just tap on it. When you get to Play Store, what you have to do is to tap on the search apps. Now what you have to do is to type in COC, or you can type in Clash of Clan, it's all the same. Then after that, tap on the search bar to search it, and as you can see, this is COC. So tap on it, then tap on install. This place, tap on this install button over here to get it on your device. So now, as you can see, it's on pending, so let's wait. It's going to start downloading right now. So when this pop up, it says use fingerprint or face to verify. So tap on not now. Then this is going to pop up, download Clash of Clans. So we are going to use now over any network. So tap on OK, and you're going to see it's pending. Now let's wait. It's going to start right now. So guys, as you can see, it has started from 0 and now we are at round 1 and also 2. So let's wait. It's going to start from 0 to 100. So as you can see, it's moving. So let's wait for it to reach 100%. So guys, as you can see, we are almost done. So let's wait. It's going to reach 100% right now. It's around 99 and almost 100. So we are done with the downloading, and now we are installing this software or application on our device. So let's wait for it to get done. So guys, as you can see, we are almost done with the installation. So we have get this Clash of Clans on our device. So to open it, you just tap on play and it's going to open for you. So this is how to install or download Clash of Clans on your device. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to tap on the subscribe button, like, and also share this video. So this is our Clash of Clans.